The iron-hulled, three-masted, full-rigged ship Milverton was launched in May 1886 by Oswald, Mordaunt Co, a well-regarded shipbuilding firm located in Southampton, England. Commissioned by F&A Nodin of Liverpool, she bore the official British registration number 93673. Measuring 280 feet in length with a beam of 40.2 feet and a depth of 25.1 feet. She had a gross register tonnage, GRT, of 292 and a net register tonnage, NRT, of 241. After launching, Milverton sailed in ballast to Penarth Dock, arriving on the 26th of June 1886. Her maiden voyage began soon after. On the 12th of July 1886, she departed Cardiff loaded with 3,200 tons of coal, bound for Wilmington, Delaware, where she arrived on the 22nd of September 1886. In 1902, Milverton was sold to Robert Thomas & Co., another Liverpool-based shipping firm. She continued long-distance cargo transport under sail, despite the rising dominance of steamships. One of her most dramatic voyages occurred in 1908 while sailing from Antwerp to San Francisco with general cargo. Near Cape Horn, she encountered a series of 3 severe hurricanes between 22nd and 28th of March 1908. A powerful wave during the last storm swept 2 helmsmen from the stern to the forecastle, miraculously without throwing them overboard, and destroyed the ship's compass mount. After 174 days at sea, Milverton finally reached San Francisco on the 11th of June 1908. This harrowing experience highlights the perilous nature of navigating around Cape Horn, a region infamous for brutal storms, rogue waves, and icy winds. Many ships of that era faced destruction in these waters, particularly before modern weather forecasting. With the onset of World War I, Milverton was requisitioned by the British Shipping Controller from 1914 to 1919 and placed under the management of J. Stewart & Co. in London. Like many commercial sailing vessels during the war, she was employed for wartime logistics, likely carrying cargo in less combat-prone sea lanes. In 1920, the ship embarked on a new life under the Finnish flag, sold to B.G. Grunblom of Åbo, Turku, Finland for £49,000. She was refitted and repurposed as a sail training ship. Her first Finnish voyage was from Rotterdam to Buenos Aires in ballast, sailing between 16th of March and 15th of May 1920. In an era when sail training vessels provided vital hands-on experience for mariners, Milverton served both as a cargo ship and a floating schoolhouse. Her crowning achievement came in 1922 during the second grain race, an informal but prestigious competition among windjammers sailing from Australia to Europe with grain cargoes. Departing Melbourne on the 9th of October 1922, she reached London on the 6th of January 1923, completing the journey in just 89 days. The cargo included wool, tallow, hides, and grain. This fast passage made her the winner of the 1922 grain race, securing fame for her Finnish crew and captain. Milverton's final commercial voyage began in Iquique, Chile, on the 20th of October 1924, carrying 3,500 tons of saltpeter destined for Dunkirk, France. The route took her via the Azores, where she encountered another fierce hurricane on the 26th of February 1925. According to Finnish sailor Hannes Koski, who was aboard during this passage and wrote the book, Around the World on a Sailing Ship 1923 to 1925, even the 2 elderly sailors with decades at sea confessed they had never experienced anything like that. After reaching Dunkirk on the 7th of March 1925, the veteran sailing ship had completed her last long journey. From 9 to 11th June 1925, Milverton sailed her final short passage from Dunkirk to Sunderland, where she was broken up for scrap, having been sold for £4,000. Milverton's 39-year career spanned a transformative era in maritime history, the waning days of commercial sail and the rise of steam and diesel engines. Despite this shift, she proved that a well-built sailing ship, guided by skilled hands, could still compete, even triumph, in the global trade lanes of the early 20th century. Her triumph in the 1922 grain race stands as a testament to her speed and resilience, placing her in the proud lineage of ocean-going windjammers that braved Cape Horn and the roaring 40s in pursuit of speed, profit, and glory.